Hi, my name is Prajot Mindkar, resident from Panjim, one of the awardees of the Engineers Day Startup Award by Gomantak last year. Pleasure to announce that Gomantak is once again having Engineers Day celebration, highlighting all the great work that engineers of the state have been doing at different parts of the world. This is a great opportunity and first of its kind that Gomantak is having in the state of Goa on the celebration of Engineers Day. As all of you might be knowing, engineers are key for the growth of economy in the state and nationwide. And it's a great initiative by Gomantak to sort of give these awards at different parameters, highlighting the contribution that individuals have done in different field of engineering in the state of Goa. It's a pride moment to be associated with Gomantak, and over the years, this is a credibility to all of the engineers to be getting this award, specifically in the specific domain that they've been working with. So do join us for this great initiative, first of its kind like I've mentioned, and let's celebrate together the Engineers Day.